How to reactivate Prizepicks account. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you two specific methods or the most convenient methods for you to be able to still reactivate your Prizepicks account. First is open up any reliable preferred web browser that you can use on your end, but on this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Head straight into the prizepicks.com's official website, which is going to be here. So the first method on reactivating your account is via the forgot password option. Simply click this option here that says logged in, and then just simply input your email address and choose on forgot password. Afterwards, input your email address, which is associated on the account you're trying to reactivate, and click on send instructions. In that method, PrizePicks will send you an email for you to be able to change your PrizePicks password. If that method didn't work out for you, then your last resort is to contact live support on PrizePicks. Go back into the PrizePicks homepage and simply scroll all the way down till you find these options here that's Sports Research Company Resources and Help Center. Now, under Help Center, choose on Live Support, and then you will be redirected into the PrizePicks 24/7 live chat support. Then simply click on Chat Now and request to reactivate your PrizePick account. And I believe that's pretty much it. Those are the most convenient way for you to be able to reactivate your PrizePicks account.